Unlock the Cosmic Manifestation Code. Your 15-minute ritual to transforming dreams into reality. Have you ever felt like the universe is playing hide and seek with your deepest desires? Imagine a world where manifesting isn't a struggle. It's a natural, effortless flow. A world where your dreams don't just remain distant fantasies, but become your lived reality. Today, I'm revealing a manifestation ritual so powerful, so elegantly simple, that it will completely revolutionize how you interact with the universe. Most people are stuck in a manifestation maze. They've tried everything. Endless meditation sessions, expensive workshops, complicated visualization techniques, stacks of self-help books. Yet their dreams remain frustratingly out of reach. Why? Because they're missing the one critical element that bridges the gap between desire and manifestation. What if I told you that the key to unlocking your dreams lies in something as simple as a leaf and moonlight? This isn't mystical mumbo-jumbo. This is a scientifically aligned spiritual practice that taps into the quantum field of possibilities. I've distilled years of spiritual research, manifestation work, and energy manipulation into a 15-minute ritual that will change everything you thought you knew about creating your reality. The Moonlight Manifestation Ritual. Your Cosmic Alignment Protocol. Why this ritual works. Let's break down the science and spirit behind this transformative practice. A leaf is not just a piece of plant matter. It's a living, breathing conduit of universal energy. Each leaf carries the intricate wisdom of growth, transformation, and potential. Moonlight. It's more than just a celestial light source. Throughout human history, cultures have recognized the moon's profound energetic influence. It represents cycles, intuition, and the hidden realms of potential. When you combine these two elements, a living leaf and moonlight, you create a powerful energetic antenna that communicates directly with the universe's manifestation frequency. What you'll need: one fresh, vibrant green leaf, a pen or marker, quiet space, your crystal clear intention. Let us dive into the ritual step-by-step guide. Step 1: Space Cleansing. Your manifestation begins with creating a sacred, energetic environment. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. With each exhale, imagine releasing all doubt, fear, and limiting beliefs. Whisper, "I release all resistance. I am open to infinite possibilities." Step 2: Intention setting. This is where most manifestation practices fail. Your intention must be specific, emotionally charged, aligned with your highest good. Don't just think your intention. Feel it. Visualize yourself already living your desired reality. Feel the joy, the excitement, the profound gratitude. Make it so real that the universe has no choice but to respond. Step 3: Leaf activation. Take your leaf. Hold it between your palms. Feel its life force, its potential for transformation. Now write your intention. Be precise. Be powerful. Examples: I am attracting abundant financial freedom. Soulmate love enters my life with divine timing. Perfect health and vitality flow through me. As you write, imagine your words becoming living energy, transferring from your heart through your hand into the leaf. Step 4: Moonlight charging. Place your intention-infused leaf where moonlight can touch it directly. A windowsill, an outdoor space, Anywhere the moon's rays can connect with your manifestation seed. Repeat this affirmation 3 times. Under this sacred moonlight, I release my dream to the universe. I trust in divine timing. My manifestation is already unfolding. Step 5. Sacred release. After charging, ideally overnight, take your leaf to a natural space. Garden, stream, patch of earth. Hold the leaf. Feel gratitude. Then release. Bury it in soil or let it float in water. This act symbolizes your complete surrender to the universe's plan. What to expect? After the ritual, signs and synchronicities. The universe communicates through unexpected opportunities, meaningful conversations, sudden clarity, intuitive nudges. Stay open, stay aware. Manifestation is not about controlling outcomes. It's about alignment. You're not forcing your desires. You're harmonizing with the cosmic flow. Trust is your most powerful manifestation tool. This ritual is your portal to transformation. It's not just a technique. It's a spiritual technology that reconnects you with your manifesting power. Will you continue living in limitation? Or will you step into your infinite potential? The choice is yours. The universe is listening. Are you ready to speak its language? Manifestation is your birthright. The magic has always been inside you. This ritual is simply the key that unlocks it. Transform, manifest, become.